The XRP, there is no way that Ripple can compete with the SEC. There has been a genuine shift. First, let's take things one step at a time. What the CEO of XRP says is something that everyone finds shocking. There is a possibility that this will result in the price of XRP Ripple reaching more than $10,000. If there has ever been a video about XRP that is more significant than this one, then this one is it. It's impossible to ignore it at all. Now, without further ado, let's get to the point without any further nonsense. Thank you very much. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, has been at the center of some of the most significant legal disputes in the cryptocurrency industry. The insights that he has regarding the issues that XRP is having with the Securities and Exchange Commission provide us with significant new information regarding the ongoing regulatory drama. During the DC FinTech Week event that took place on October 24th, Garlinghouse expressed his regret regarding Ripple's early strategy and highlighted the fact that the company's current issues are partially the result of their failure to collaborate with U.S. regulators in a more proactive manner. Whenever I think about it now, it makes me feel terrible about myself. It was pointed out by Garlinghouse that Ripple is taking a different approach. I think we made a mistake by not stepping up earlier, and we're trying to make up for lost time to some extent, Garlinghouse said. At first, the company did not want to collaborate with the authorities. However, due to the ongoing lawsuit, Garlinghouse has been making a significant number of trips to Washington, D.C. over the past few years. This is because they are attempting to figure out how to deal with the uncertain landscape of cryptocurrency regulation in the United States. On the question of whether or not XRP ought to be regarded as a security, Ripple is engaged in a dispute with the SEC. According to a statement made by Judge Annalisa Torres in July, Ripple's sales of XRP to regular people did not violate any laws pertaining to securities. This was a victory, but only in part. However, it was discovered that sales made by institutions were in violation of the rules regarding securities. As a consequence of this, the initial penalty was set at $1.95 billion, but it was later reduced to $125 million. According to Garlinghouse, the decision was a significant victory for Ripple as well as for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. In addition to expressing his dissatisfaction with the length of time it was taking to resolve the case, he stated that the SEC's appeal of this decision was both pointless and frustrating. The United States of America is lagging behind the rest of the world for no known reason. According to Garlinghouse, I believe that it all boils down to the false information that is occurring around this issue. He placed a significant amount of blame on individuals such as Gary Gensler, who is the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Garlinghouse, Gensler was being excessively hostile toward the cryptocurrency industry, spreading false information and making it difficult for crypto innovators to work in an environment that was safe. Many people in the cryptocurrency industry are in agreement with this, particularly in light of the fact that Gensler's SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, which many in the industry interpreted as an example of excessive government control. In a tweet that stated, "Trust Echo," brought attention to Garlinghouse's strong words to the attention of the public. At the SEC, the terrifying times that Gary Gensler has been in charge of are almost over. The fact that people in the cryptocurrency community are experiencing this feeling demonstrates how frustrated they are, as they wait for regulatory clarity. Considering that Gensler's term may be coming to an end, Garlinghouse's comments also demonstrate that people are becoming more optimistic about the possibility that the United States will finally adopt a more balanced approach to the regulation of cryptocurrencies for the first time. To add insult to injury, I can assure you that things are going to get a lot more interesting for XRP Ripple from here on out. On social media, a number of crypto analysts are making bold assertions, and I can assure you that what is going to happen next has the potential to completely transform everything. If their forecasts come true, the value of XRP could skyrocket, so you won't want to pass up this opportunity because it could be extremely beneficial to you. It is possible that you will never have another opportunity to enter the rocket before it takes off. People are becoming even more enthusiastic about XRP as a result of significant predictions and comparisons to other market giants because of these. That tweet from Jack the Rippler that stated, "This is a shocking 100 times XRP candle," garnered a lot of attention. Click the like button if you intend to keep your XRP until it reaches a price of more than $50. This is something that a large number of people in the XRP community agree with, including the XRP captain, who made the audacious prediction that the value of XRP would reach $10,000 by the time the game was over. Statements such as these have caused a great deal of excitement among individuals regarding what could be the next big thing for Ripple's native token. There was a lot of confusion among a lot of people regarding the reason why XRP did not experience the same wild price swings as other cryptocurrencies in the years 2020 and 2021. Binance Coin's value skyrocketed from $12.50 in March 2020 to an astounding $638 in April 2021, representing a staggering increase of 9,813% over the course of that time period. Imagine that XRP could experience a rally similar to this one. I have no doubt that XRP possesses a great deal of potential. After the majority of the legal pressure that was brought on by the SEC case had passed. At the moment, Ripple is in a position that is significantly more favorable than it was during the previous bull run. Many people believe that if XRP follows the same path as Bitcoin, it could reach a price of $53 in the future. This is similar to the belief that Bitcoin has. Let's take a closer look at that. In March of 2024, the value of XRP was approximately 53 cents. Suppose it continues to increase by 9,813% like BNB. It's possible that we're witnessing a new all-time high. The fact that the captain of XRP tweeted that the cryptocurrency could print the largest green candle in history demonstrates that an increasing number of members of the community believe that the token is about to experience a significant surge. The kind of optimism that you have is not absurd. The legal victory of XRP, the increased utility of the token, and the growing interest from institutions are all indicators that the token has more room to grow to its full potential. To illustrate how significant this possibility is, let's say that XRP reaches $53 per unit. There is the potential for a modest investment of $1,000 to grow into nearly $97,000. The kind of opportunity to make a significant amount of money that investors fantasize about is this one. Nevertheless, despite the fact that they appear to be thought-provoking, these scenarios are still merely ideas. In order for the market capitalization of XRP to reach $53, it would be necessary for the market to reach $5.3 trillion. Considering that the total value of the cryptocurrency market has not yet reached $3 trillion, this appears to be a frightening number. Nevertheless, XRP has been through a great deal of challenging circumstances in the past. The technology that enables it to function, known as RippleInit, is continuing to gain popularity among financial institutions all over the world. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, has stated that their technology is resolving real-world issues in the realm of international payments. This statement has generated a lot of discussion. In the long run, this might be beneficial to